And you see behind us?
Look at that. That's Minnie Mouse. A topiary.
The Epcot International Flower and Garden Festival starts March 1st. And out here at Epcot, they've already started putting up, I think they're called topiaries.
I think so too.
And we're gonna show you everything that's already out before the festival even starts. So get ready to go on this full bloom adventure that rocks. How fun is this to kick it off right away at the start with Mickey, Chip and Dale, Minnie, and Pluto. Just make some great photo opportunities out here. And this is right on your walkway heading to the Lagoon and World Showcase. Out here at Epcot, you're gonna find that they have not one, not two, but 3 colorful butterflies out here. Perfect for those photos. Ooh, and look at these blue ones here.
Colors, they're so bright and
Vibrant.
That's
Yes.
the word.
Yeah. It's like
Wow.
someone took a Crayola box and exploded it all over the flowers out
That's
here.
exactly. I mean, you can't take your eyes off it. You're like, am I really seeing this? It's so beautiful.
Like I pointed out, Sandy, that blue right behind you,
Right there, yeah.
that just really pops out here right now.
Sure it does. Wow.
And the weather is just perfect today. I gotta mention that.
Sure is.
Such a cool touch with even the monorail going by. But look at these butterflies and all the flowers that are around it. Look at all the colors. I hope the camera can do it justice. I love how they got Minnie and Mickey silhouette shapes in there. Big flower shapes in there. And if you look closely, you can see they're watering the flowers. I wonder how they know where to step in order not to crush them. Are these always here? This is definitely a showstopper right here. Goofy holding flowers, and I don't know how tall this is. Maybe 12 feet tall, or it's gotta be bigger than that. Maybe 24 feet tall, but it is definitely a fun photo opportunity. In Canada, whose little house, shack, is that supposed to represent? If you know, let us know in the comments. Look how cute Bambi is. And Thumper. And what's the skunk's name? Is it Petunia?
Flower. You can call me Flower if you want.
Oh, it's Flower. I was close. Petunia is a flower. But these are just absolutely stunning out here at Epcot. A lot of people have been stopping to get this photo, and as you can see why. I mean, with Simba, Rafiki, Mufasa, Nala, this Lion King flower sculpture, that's impressive. Wow. Of course, the Lion King cannot be complete without Timon and Pumbaa. Yup, yup, yup. Look who we find out here just taking a stroll amongst the grass and some of the flowers. Winnie the Pooh. I wonder if he's looking for honey. Hiya, Pooh.
And check out Woody and Bo Peep and what's the name of the 3-legged lamb?
Sheep?
Sheep.
It's not 3-legged.
Oh,
They have-
three-headed.
They're 3 separate lambs.
Okay, 3-headed lamb.
It's not a 3-headed lamb. They're 3 separate lambs.
Like sewn together.
But you know what this topiary really needs? Do you know what it really needs?
What does it need?
It needs a Forky sculpture out here.
Yeah, it does.
And a trash can.
Where's the trash can?
Yeah. A trash can made of flowers and a Forky sculpture would go perfect in this. So this butterfly is not with the other butterflies. This one is right next to Finding Nemo in the seas.
Yeah, and look at the succulents, how it's made up. I think that's what it's called, but they're like little
Little...
cacti? No. They're so cute. Look how, like, zoom in and see the...
You want me to zoom in and look for the cacti on this tree?
Sure.
If you see cacti on this tree, let us know in the comments. Well, that one might be right there, around there, might be called cacti. You know, sculptures are not complete unless you've got Donald and Daisy. And look at him out here. Donald would be so proud to know he has his own sculpture out here, and Daisy looking over him. Love how Daisy's dress is being all filled in with pink flowers. To infinity and beyond, you'll find Buzz Lightyear in front of Mission Space. Not Forky. You won't find Forky in front of Mission Space. You'll usually find him hanging out of my backpack. Mission Space, what type of rider are you? Are you the go for launch, circle as fast as you can on your mission to Mars, or are you to the moon and back? Let us know in the comments. Here we have the 3 Caballeros, and you can find them just to the left of the Mexican Pavilion, you know, where their ride is. Great placement for these guys. Check out the troll we found in Norway. It is a troll, right? Or is it like a stone people person from Frozen?
I think it's a stone person.
You think so? Is that what they call them in Frozen? Stone people?
Oh, I don't know.
Rock people? Trolls?
I'm loving his teeth.
Yeah.
He's pretty cool. He looks very happy.
Yeah. So Winnie the Pooh doesn't wear pants. This guy doesn't wear a shirt. Just wanted to point that out. Here in Norway, right in front of the Frozen ride, Anna and Elsa are in full bloom out here, surrounded by snowflakes also covered in flowers. How cute are the pandas in front of China? Look at the details. Really impressive. Here in Italy, you'll find Lady and the Tramp, and look at this. Love the details that they've done. Even like the eyes, look at that. And it looks like the pizza place that you can get pizza from the window is still closed.
It's closed.
Every single time we're here,
Yep.
I'm telling you, I believe you can get pizza from that window, and it's closed.
Again.
When do they ever
One of
open
these
that?
days, one of these days we're gonna come in here and it's gonna be open and we're gonna have a lot of pizza.
Have you had pizza from that window? Put it in the comments down below. Looking for that rainbow connection? You may find it in between Morocco and France, as we found Miss Piggy and Kermit riding a bike, and like how Miss Piggy comes with all her luggage and accessory pieces just as she should, while Kermit keeps it simple. Look at the teapots. I'm not sure if these are always here, but I just thought it was a cute touch, Dad, and throw it in.
I think this one has to be my favorite with Tinkerbell. And check out all the little fairy houses. Look at them all. That one's... Remember that toy when you were younger?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I love that. That's very creative.
Winnie the Pooh holding a red balloon, and his friend Rabbit with some carrots. And let's not forget about his best pals, Tigger, Eeyore, and Piglet. Tick-tock, tick-tock. If you know there's an alligator close by, or maybe is that a crocodile? How can you tell? Let us know in the comments. But if he's around, then you know Peter Pan and Captain Hook are close by.
As you can tell, we're not at Epcot right now.
However, we forgot to film an ending for the International Flower and Garden Festival coming to Epcot.
Yeah, we were having so much fun, but here we are at Hollywood Studios, and we wanted to let you know how much we enjoyed all of those topiaries.
Yeah, those flower sculptures are absolutely amazing, and the time it must take to put all that together. And we hope you guys enjoyed this little preview that we have. If you haven't liked and subscribed yet,
What you waiting for?
because you really never know where we're gonna end up next. Be sure to make each and every day, including those lit up in lights,
Our flowers.
an adventure that rocks. And if you want to know more about the Epcot International Garden and Flower Festival or anything going on in Walt Disney World, now's a great time to shoot us a message at Show You the World Travel. We're going to put that link in the description down below, and maybe we can help you plan your next magical trip. Looking for more fun photos and maybe little mini videos that we didn't include in this video you're watching now?
Be sure to check out our TikTok, our Instagram, and our Facebook pages.
And we're going to put those links also in the description down below.